Let's dive into our belief system today a little deeper. Our belief system plays a vital role in managing anger. Whenever a person is angry, there are three beliefs that he has in common. First one, what I did was right. The second one, my intention was good. Third one, I had no other choice. Now, if I have to explain this, what I did was right. Now, what we feel is whatever we do during the time of anger or during other times, we are perfect. We are not wrong. I don't want to say anything about this particular statement, but has there not been any incident or any instance wherein we had to regret later, knowing something later on that what I did was wrong? What happens when we think now about these circumstances? We really feel guilty of what we have done. That means sometimes even we commit mistakes. Now we need to think inward whenever we get angry. What better ways can I communicate to the person? How can I deal with it in another way or in a better way? Was my perception wrong about this particular person or this event? In short, I can say we need to think in another's perspective. That is, maybe he is right. He may also be right sometimes. So let us think in a different perspective. What I believe may not be the belief that you have. It all depends on one individual to another. So who is perfect? Who is not? Who is right and who is wrong? We cannot decide all by ourselves. It's all the perceptions that we have. Now coming to the second point. My intention was good. Of course our intentions will be good. What about the other's intentions? Even if the person is a smoker, he is smoking with a good intention. How? He wants to relieve himself from all stress, anxiety, and whatever negative thoughts he has in his mind. And that's the reason he wants to smoke. The intention is good. The strategies what he's using may not be right. And that is what we need to consider. So, whenever we get angry, the next time we need to think in such a way that the other person also may have good intention in saying this or doing this. When we start thinking in this way, we are able to regulate our emotions in such a way that we don't harm anybody. We don't feel guilty later on for what we have done. Third point is about the option of choosing our reaction. I have told this in my previous video as well. We choose our reaction, and that is the best freedom that we have got till date. When we get submissive or when we be very calm in front of our boss and not at our kids or our family members, it means that we are somewhere choosing our reactions consciously. The bottom line is we need to change our belief system, the way we perceive things, our perceptions, so that we can have a better life and take in charge of all our emotions. Let not emotions rule us.